We talked about that before. My return on equity sucks ass. It stinks. You can use whatever version I want, or both, I don't care. It is. I mean, my return on investment across all my properties is well over 40, 50%. But my return on equity, if you look at what everything is appreciated in value, my return on equity is like 3%, which means I need to sell almost everything I own, and I need to go buy new properties that maybe make an 8% cash on cash return, and then I can take that 8% cash on cash return and then do a throw off number, which includes, so cash on cash would be what that building is producing through cash flow off of what I have invested in that building as a whole. That's cash on cash. Throw off is what that building produces from the cash on cash. Let's say that's 8%. Then what it gets on appreciation. So if that building is appreciating at $300,000 a year in value, okay, I would apply that $300,000 to what I got invested in the building. Cap rate off of it, what we're getting off of that, cash on cash. Then we're gonna take what we're making on appreciation, then we're gonna take what we're making on depreciation, then what we're making on principal reduction. And all of that as a whole on the property is, on a lot of them, is just astronomical. It's very easy to hit 70%, 80%, 100% return on investment, 400% return on investment. It's not hard. You get there pretty rapidly as everything changes.